Hello YouTube, welcome to the Common Investor channel, aka TCI. So today I'm just gonna run you through my trading to my Etoro account real quick. So essentially got into this just to purchase some cryptocurrency and just kind of create a separate portfolio just for buying things on a dip and just selling them when they get to a certain level. So this is definitely more of a trading account, right? And potentially maybe capture some extra opportunities where I can. So right here I've got Ethereum. The two cryptocurrencies I've got are Ethereum and I think that's called Cardona. I just call it ADA to be honest. Uh, yeah. So we've got F.I.R.E, we've got Repligen, which are obviously our companies, Rush, Thermo Fisher, Facebook, Halfords Group, Teladoc, Tencent, Raytheon, and MoneySupermarket.com. So I'm up on most of them, apart from Halfords and Alphia. So that's good. Obviously, up the most in Ethereum. Um, do I think there's a future in cryptocurrency? I honestly do not know. I think it just depends on how they want to regulate it. If they decide to regulate it, yeah, I don't think there's much we can do about it. But obviously, it seems like companies like Square and PayPal are taking it up, so they wouldn't do that unless they thought there was something for in the future for cryptocurrency, or maybe the technology behind it. I'm not too sure. So yeah, well, as of today, I'm up roughly about I think 10% or something. So mostly down to Ethereum essentially. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I think the Etoro platform is not the most intuitive, to be honest with you, but it is what it is. So yeah, I mean, I just wanted to basically run through this and show you this, and also show you how you can purchase cryptocurrency in the UK. So right now, I know about three platforms allow you to do that, which are one Etoro, next one is Coinbase, and the other one is Revolut. So of those two, I think the only of those three, the two that I believe allow you to convert your trades into actual cryptocurrency that you can store or transfer into I don't know, one of these portable crypto wallets or something is eToro or iToro and Coinbase. Revolut don't allow you to actually do that, or they don't have a system to do that yet. So you could just basically, it's just basically almost like it's just basically trading. So to buy this on eToro, I keep on saying trading to want to. I'm just used to it. Obviously, you go to Bitcoin, and simply just going to trade. So on here, I think I follow another YouTuber, and he tried to explain how to use eToro. I don't think he got it completely right, to be honest with you, but it's a very complicated system, to be honest with you. So he said basically go to order, but to me, order basically just is the same as every other system. It basically allows you to choose the buying point or the execution point, right? So if you want to buy at a lower price, then you do that. If you want to buy at a higher price, I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you can do that as well. So when it hits that price, it buys it. Um, and then obviously you set the amount that you want. It allows you to change the units as well. If you want, zero point zero 0.01 of a Bitcoin, or you want 1 Bitcoin, which would probably be, uh, here £29,000 if you got the money. So yeah, but what you really want is the trade. If you put it on trade, what determines if you're buying the actual asset or you're using the CFD feature is if you go click on leverage, right? So if you see if it's a times one, then you have the real cryptocurrency trade. So you're buying the actual underlying assets. If you go times two, then you're actually using the leverage feature or the CFD trading feature in there. So obviously you can see fees applied to this when you use the CFD feature. When you just buy the actual underlying asset, there's no fees attached to it, right? So obviously you got your stop loss feature as well, and you got your take prop, or limits and stops basically. Yeah, so you can set those in. So I'm not going to press deposit now because I do not want to buy it. I don't think I can because I don't even have enough money in there to buy anything. Yeah, so just it's almost 30,000. That's quite interesting. If I'd known about, I didn't really know too much about cryptocurrency, but I spoke to a friend of mine and he said Bitcoin is basically the only cryptocurrency that is that the supply is limited. Essentially, there's no more, they're not making any more Bitcoin essentially. So that's what's driving the price higher. The more people buy, then the higher the price goes. And if I'd known that, I would have just bought Bitcoin. Because he said Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies don't follow that pattern. They're still making more of them. So I mean, essentially, unless we get to a point where they stop making Ethereum, then potentially that might start going up as well as quickly as Bitcoin. But yeah, if Bitcoin has a dip, I'll potentially just buy it, just as a hedge essentially, and see what happens. Who knows. So yeah, so once you buy it, you basically see it in your account, like you saw Ethereum, and then what do I go to the wallet now? So when you go to the wallet basically has two tabs. One of them is your balance, and one of them is the trades in your actual Etoro account. So this basically automatically gets transferred into this app, into the Etoro wallet app once you've downloaded the app and you've linked it to your Etoro account. As I picked up, I've got Ethereum and Cardano, right? And what you can do with this, if you click on it, is that if you click on, I've not tried this before. If you click on trade, let's see what happens. Nope, I don't want to do that. Well, there's a way, anyways. There's a way to convert your trades into the balance. Yeah, so there's a way to convert this into actual cryptocurrency, which you can then either send or use to buy something. Yeah, I've forgotten how to do it, to be honest. Maybe that's another video. But yeah, that's the thing about like eToro. It basically allows you to do that using the eToro wallet. You can do that as well with Coinbase, and you can do that with Revolut. So yeah, that's essentially it. That's why I use eToro. Obviously, when you convert this to the actual cryptocurrency where you can use to for to you can send to people, there's a fee for that, right? I think there's also a fee for holding it for holding the Ethereum within the wallet as well. So if I had Bitcoin, I could add Bitcoin there. Yeah, I can't remember how to do this actually, but there is a way to convert this into actual Ethereum cryptocurrency that you can use. So yeah, that's it for me today. It's been fun. So thanks for watching. I will leave my links to my trading 212 and also to free trade in case you want to join them, so you can get free some free stocks once you join in. Maybe deposit some money or something, and then we can both get some free stocks. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and have a good night. And yeah, I think this might be a good time to consider getting back into the market or getting into the market, maybe after this month or something, because obviously you can see the markets on the dip. Well, a certain sector of the market, I think tech stocks are basically on the dip, so it might be a good time to get in there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and take care, guys. Okay, bye.